In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subject while replying in Outlook. This is a simple but powerful trick that helps your replies stand out, keeps conversations organized, and makes it easier for recipients to understand what your message is about at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar, then click the official Outlook website result. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that to access your mailbox. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing your inbox so you can pick the message you want to respond to. Select an email that you plan to reply to. When it opens in the reading pane, click Reply. This will bring up the Reply Composer. You'll see a message box where you can type your response, and at the very top of that box, you'll notice the subject line, usually prefixed with "re", followed by the original subject. That's the field we're going to change. Click directly on the subject line to make it editable. You can modify what's there or replace it entirely. Aim for a clear, specific subject that reflects the content of your reply. For example, if the original subject was too broad, updating it to something more precise helps everyone quickly understand the purpose of your message. Keep it concise, avoid filler words, and put the most important keywords near the beginning so it's easy to scan on mobile devices. It's worth noting that changing the subject can sometimes cause the conversation to appear as a separate thread in some mail clients. That's normal and can actually be helpful when the topic has shifted. If you want to keep it connected, you can leave "re" at the beginning and then adjust the rest of the subject for clarity. After you've updated the subject, move down to the body of the message and type your reply. You'll usually see the original message quoted below your cursor. Feel free to trim any parts that aren't necessary to keep the thread tidy. If your reply is longer, break it into short paragraphs and use clear language so it's easy to follow. When you're satisfied with the subject and the message content, click Send. Outlook will deliver your reply with the new subject line you set, making it easier for your recipient to identify and act on your email. And that's it. You've just learned how to reply in Outlook and change the subject line before sending. A small step that can make a big difference in email clarity and organization.